Hi Ate Jeng, happy birthday! So iniisip ko kung ano pa yung pwede kong i-wish para sa iyo on your birthday. Kasi practically you have the best things in life. You have a wonderful and a loving family living with you in UK. Ganon din ang mga kapamilya at mga kapatid natin that you regularly spend time with each other. So for me, siguro it's a healthy life and a long life para mas ma-enjoy mo pa yung blessings from the Lord at yung mga susunod pang mga araw at taon. Kasama mo silang lahat. So, happy birthday ulit. Nandito lang kami, Ate Jeng. If you need anything, you just let us know. Basta kami, we will pray for your happiness and more birthdays to come. We love you and cheers! Bye-bye! Hello kids and Kuya Johnny. See you soon! Bye-bye!
Happiest birthday, Ate Jeng. Happy birthday. Wishing you more birthdays to come. Good health and safety. Hope to see you soon with yun lang. Diba ba? Hope to see you guys soon. We'll visit London kapag medyo okay na yung visa. So I'm now here in Turkey. Happy birthday. See you soon. Love you.
Happy birthday, Ate Jeng. We wish you good health always and more blessings to come.
Hi Ate Jeng! Thank you for being an ate to us during our stay in the UK, and we do hope to visit you again soon. May all your prayers be granted. Happy birthday, Ate!
Happy birthday!
Hello everyone! Hello sa mga pamilya natin sa London. Again, Ate Jeng, happy birthday. Happy 50th! Thank you for being my ate. Thank you sa love and care mo sa amin, sa pamilya. Thank you for always being there for our family. Again, I only pray for more health, more wealth, more blessings for you and your family. Again, ate, enjoy your 50th birthday and may you have many more birthdays to come. We love you very much and always take care. See you!
Birthday, Ate Jeng!
One, two, three. Happy birthday, Ate Jeng! We wish you more birthdays to come.
Good health and long life.
Enjoy your day!
Bye-bye.
Happy birthday, Ate Jeng! God bless you!
Hi, Nanay Jeng! Happy birthday! Thank you for everything. Stay healthy and happy. Love you always. Mwah. Love you.
Hi, Nanay Jeng! Happy birthday! I wish you good health and more power, more blessings para marami ka pang ma-inspire. The way you inspired us 8 years ago. O, diba? 8 years ago na pala yun. Thank you, Nanay. Happy birthday again. Love you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Nanay Jeng. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday po. Know that you always have a special place in our hearts, especially because you're part of my journey here in Chichester. So, happy 50th birthday! Enjoy your day. We love you. Bye. Here you go.
Happy birthday, Jeng! Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Jeng. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Mrs. Solis. Long time no see.
We love you.
We love you!
Bye. Bye now.
Happy birthday, sis. Happy golden.
Maligayang everyone.
That's my American accent.
We miss you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Mommy Jang. We miss you.
Hello, Jeng, kapatid. Kumusta? Balita ko, Big 5-0 mo na. Happy 50th birthday to you. Stay awesome and beautiful as you are. You're one of a kind. And for me, you're beautiful inside and out. You're a blessing to everyone. I just want to take this opportunity to thank you for being a good friend and for the fun memories we had together. I know kahit hindi man tayo palaging nag-uusap or nagkukumustahan, you're still there to constantly remind me na feeling ko pa rin na belong ako sa group, and it means a lot to me. Thank you, my friend. Wish you and pray for that God will continue to give you good health and continue to bless you with many more years ahead. Keep your family and you safe always. Happy birthday to you again, my friend. I hope you have fun and stay safe always. Bye.
Happy birthday, Jeng! Oh my God, you're 50 already. Malapit mo na akong abutan. Happy birthday. The last time we saw each other was in 2006, so that was almost 18 years ago. So almost 20 years tayo nakikita. And it would have been nicer kung mababati kita in person, but this is the least I can do. And I'm hoping you are having a great time on your 50th birthday. And sana magkita tayo ulit in the very near future. And ang birthday wish ko sa'yo, well, you got everything. I think you are aging very gracefully. And looking at the picture on Facebook, mukhang bata ka pa. And who would have thought that you're already turning 50 this year? And yeah, kung ano man ang sikreto mo, sikreto ko rin. So kita mo naman, para tayong mga bata. Charot. Anyway, happy birthday, and I wish you all the best. And I'm hoping makabisita ko dyan, or sana makabisita kayo dito. I really miss you and the rest of our friends there. And of course, regards to my inaanak, and to your husband too. Again, happy birthday.
Hi, Tita Jeng. Happy 50th birthday. 50 is the new number of 40, so enjoy and make the most of it. And enjoy your party together with all your friends. And hopefully we can come and visit and see you all again. And just say hi to everybody. Thank you.
생길 축하합니다. 생길 축하합니다. 생길 축하합니다. Hello, Jokla. Happy birthday. Sabi ko nga kay Ann, kahit hindi tayo nag-uusap, kahit hindi tayo nagkikita, mahal kita, Jokla. You've been a part of my journey. Thank you for the friendship. Enjoy your day and happy 50th. Age is just a number. Take care and God bless you. Bye.
Surprise, Jeng!
Happy birthday, Jeng! I hope 50 will treat you well.
Jeng, we haven't seen you for a very long time. I hope we can meet up and celebrate our big 5-0 together. So again, happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
And God bless you and your family, Jeng. Bye!
Hello, Jengay. Happy birthday. Enjoy this milestone. Wishing you all the best, and may all the desires of your heart come true. Masasabi ko lang, thank you rin for the friendship. We may not, communicate every day, pero kapag magkasama tayo, riot, parang kahapon lang. I really enjoyed my ASI days kasi you're one of the friends na nakilala ko doon, especially for first job as a nursing grad. Memorable ang ASI life ko because you're one of the friends that I made there. Thank you, miss you, love you, happy birthday.
Happy birthday to
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Jengay. Enjoy your special day.
Hello, Maricoy! Happiest 50th birthday and welcome to the Golden Club. Basta ang mahalaga, hindi tayo mukhang 50, diba? And blast on your special day and enjoy your birthday bash with your loved ones. Sana nandyan ako to celebrate with you. But don't worry, malay mo, in the near future, I will be able to visit you. Regards to Parang Johnny and to your beautiful kids. And stay cool, healthy, and definitely gorgeous. Ito, may mag-greet sa'yo. Come here. Yes. So, maybe first time mo siya makikita. Your inaanak, Joaquin. What will you say, Joaquin?
Hi, Nina and Jen. God bless. Happiest birthday. I hope to see you in the nearest future.
Okay, God bless.
God bless.
We love you.
We love you. God bless.
Mwah.
Mwah.
Maricoy, may isa pagbabati sa'yo. Ito, lika.
Hello! Happy birthday, Jeng! More birthday to come. Hello, from the Philippines. Hello.
Antiped. Okay, that's it, Maricoy. Enjoy your party. Regards to all. God bless you all.